Welcome to the third film in our Between the Lines series. In it, we look at the rules that apply to the production of architectural drawings. Just like any other language, architectural drawing has its own set of rules. Without these rules, which are similar to those that tell us how to write and speak German, for example, it would be impossible to communicate with other people. In Germany, the most important rules governing architectural drawing are set out in a standard. This standard is called DIN 1356, Building and Civil Engineering Drawings, Part 1, Types, Content and General Rules of Representation. It's only a few pages long, but covers everything you need to know about technical drawing. For example, DIN 1356-1 specifies the types of line you can use. It distinguishes between continuous lines for cut visible edges of objects and for dimensions, dashed lines for hidden contours of objects below the drawing plane, dashed dotted lines to depict grid lines and building axes, and dotted lines for the projected edges of hidden objects above the drawing plane. It also specifies the weight of the lines to be drawn. The important thing to remember here is that the lines used to show cut edges of objects are heavier than those used for visible, hidden, and projected edges. It's vital that you follow this basic rule if you want your drawings to be clear and easy to understand. DIN 1356-1 also provides various other guidelines relating to paper size, dimensions, and the use of hatching and symbols, for example. Summary. Architectural drawings need to follow certain rules if they are to be properly understood. These rules are set out in German Standard DIN 1356, Building and Civil Engineering Drawings, Part 1. Amongst other information, it specifies which types and weights of lines to use and where. We also recommend that you take a look at the fourth film in our Between the Lines series, in which we discuss the relationship between the content of a plan or drawing and its scale.